Hello, I'm Dr. Ron Masa. My goal in this class is to introduce you to the most extraordinary book I've ever encountered. After a lifetime of study and teaching, I can say that the Yijing, or Book of Changes, has been more helpful to me than any single book in my life. It has guided me as well as educated me. It's helped me avoid making some serious mistakes in the real world, and it's even literally saved my life. Since I'm vouching for the Yijing, and I am the person introducing you, I should tell you a little about me. My last name, Masa, spelled M-A-S-A, was originally a Bohemian name. That's now the Czech Republic, where it would be pronounced Masha. And you could say that this class is a rather bohemian introduction to the Yijing. It is non-standard, modern, practical, and personal. In the late 1960s, I got a great job at age 21 working as a television cameraman and then a TV director for KVOA-TV Channel 4, Tucson, Arizona. I also began my career in psychology then, working with kids in trouble. I later became director of the Silver Lake Treatment Program of Boys Republic in Los Angeles, and next earned a master's degree in social work at UCLA, back when John Wooden was coaching the Bruins. I next moved to Michigan for 6 more years of graduate study and teaching, ending, mercifully, in a double PhD in psychology and social work. But that was a long time ago, and I'm feeling much better now. Escaping the Michigan tundra to sunny Colorado, I worked for several decades as a Jungian-oriented psychotherapist in private practice. And I was also a stone sculptor and abstract expressionist painter. Over the years, I've written dozens of articles and newspaper columns, mostly on dreams and the Yijing. I taught graduate courses at UCLA, at the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor, and at Naropa University in Boulder, Colorado. I've also studied for many years with mystics and shamans from both North and South America. There's no category for scientific mystic, but I make essentially rigorously tested use of non-rational or spiritual tools like dreams and the Yijing. These are the 2 of the most accessible guides that I've ever found to help people learn, grow, and live in harmony with their authentic self. My primary qualification to teach results from having relied upon the Yijing every day for decades.
Hi, I'm Debbie Hart. I'm a lifelong learner and spiritual seeker. My eclectic educational background includes degrees in both English and computer science from the University of Colorado, along with concentrations of study in writing, fine art, foreign languages, biology, and engineering. Throughout my life, I've also studied a number of subjects in the areas of personal growth, nutrition, alternative health, and mysticism. My diverse work experience includes administrative jobs, teaching and tutoring, software engineering at IBM, and creating whimsical folk art that I sell online. I've devoted decades to my own personal and spiritual development, and I've always had a strong interest in subjects like dreams and divination. With my eclectic mix of Western and Eastern European heritage, along with a little Native American thrown in, I feel that my own unique life path and informal style make a great match to Ron's authentic Bohemian teaching style.